Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share a trip I took with my siblings and friends to a part of the Chun state in Myanmar. It's a place like there's no internet or electricity, just nature all around us. It felt like stepping into the fairy tale. Getting there wasn't easy, the roads were super rough, so we had to travel by motorcycle, and you might know, Myanmar is going through some tough times with a military coup, which makes things even harder. But despite all that, I realized it's important to focus on healing and not stress about things we can't change sometimes. I wanted to share the love and happiness I felt in that peaceful place with everyone. In today's world, it's easy to feel down with all the bad news and politics, but I believe it's okay to find little moments of peace even if things are tough. For me, being in nature is really calming. I love the smell of petrichor, the scent of rain on dry earth. It's like nature's way of giving us a hug. Taking time for yourself, especially when life gets crazy, is really important. It's about finding happiness and feeling content, even in small things. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope it inspires you to take care of yourself and find your own moments of peace. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye.